2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Okay, so day 6 is the V-stitch. V-stitch for victory, right? The V-stitch. The V-stitch is super easy. It's really just double crochets and chains, and it's really, really pretty. To me, it almost looks like, I don't know, like up and across and down, like castle turrets. I don't know if you can see that, but they are definitely V's. I'm going to actually stretch it out a little bit so you can maybe see the V's better. The V stitch. So depending on how many strands you use or the thickness or heaviness of your yarn, this could be very like loose and kind of lacy where you can like literally put your fingers through the stitches. Or if you double up or even just use a heavier weight yarn, it can be a very dense fabric. So I'm going to put some pictures up so you can see some different ways where the V-stitch has like different kind of qualities to it. But this is just a 4-weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. So yeah, how's that look? Does that look foxy? Do I look like a flapper? Okay, everybody, so if you would like to learn how to do the V-stitch, I do have a tutorial for that. Just click in the link click the link in the box below, and it'll take you right to my tutorial of how to do the V-stitch. Super easy, super binge-worthy. Until tomorrow, have a great day and happy binging and happy hooking. Okay, bye-bye.